Yeah, I'm very happy to present Kite. We as a company are specialized in battery development and also prototyping. And yeah, Bernhard already mentioned that Samsung SDI has its research headquarters in Graz. And that was basically the foundation for our company. So two of those researchers founded an own company, and therefore we made a very great team. And we are, yeah, as I said, specialized in any battery solution one can need. We can provide. So if you need anything in, I don't know, you have a cell and you want to build a battery. So I'm thinking of the aluminium. The former speaker said it's very interesting also for us to get the cell and make a battery out of it. Focusing on the topic of today, we tried to get to the next generation, and we think the next generation is sodium ion. So there is several sodium ion types, and we are focusing on the polyanionic NVPF technology, so sodium vanadium phosphofluor, which has lots of advantages, like, for example, the sustainability because of the used materials, and it has 100% safety because of the chemistry used, and it has a very high power capability. So our storages can do 2C continuous power, and we can also do for a short amount of time, like let's say 10 seconds, 10C. Well, there is a disadvantage. It's like 30% more weight because Tobias, you mentioned it's less weight, so
Yeah.
That's a disadvantage actually. Anyway, presenting our prototype we did so far, and at the moment we are about to make the third prototype generation, which will be online in January, and then go out in field in the second quarter. So we are taking a cell. As I said, we are a battery manufacturer. Yeah? We're taking a cell in that case the NVPF sodium ion type, which is actually from France, from the company Tiamat, which is our cooperation partner in that case. We do the full mechanical design, so we have the optimized cell pack to have the electrical and thermal requirements fulfilled. We do all the electronics, we do all the hardware, also the printed circuit boards. We do the complete software, including the battery management system, and yeah, the module you see in the middle is based on a modular concept. So the one module has 2 kilowatt hours, and that can be scaled up to any purpose, how much you need, or how much money you have, basically. Yeah? With this product, of course, we are competing to lithium iron phosphate, which is state of the art at the moment, and we are focusing on two markets. The one is the peak performance already mentioned. So it's for example, fast charging or peak shaving. If you have any electric drives who have to start or stop, and you need very much energy in a very short time. And on the other hand, we're focusing on markets with absolute safety. So speaking of putting the battery next to your sleeping children in the house, or to some critical infrastructure like hospitals, or putting them underground in some tunnels or something. Yeah, so that was a small overview about our company, and yeah, if you are here to search any cooperation or something, as I said, on the one hand, we can provide you with battery development. We can make prototypes. Every cell you basically need, or every type you need, from the full scope to just doing concepts, just doing requirements, or just making the prototype. And on the other hand, we are focusing on the sodium ion market, as I said, and then we're planning for prototypes next year. So if you're interested in prototype for next year, we sold half of them. The other half is still on sale. And yeah, within the next years, we will make bigger batches and yeah, try to focus on bigger markets, of course. Thank you.